Man, I want some good food, man, but Country Pride is closed, baby. So they closed it too, so they can't find nobody want to work. It's crazy, man. Nobody want to work these days, man.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the...
Hey, what it do, YouTube family and Handsome Mother Truck, and we back in this mother sucker, baby. Today we picking up out here at the yard. We picking up in Indianapolis, Indiana, and we heading to STURTEVANT, Iowa. I think I want to say STURTEVANT, Iowa. Picking up that trailer right there, the dry van. So we got a dry van this time that we dropping off our empty. Got to unload it this afternoon. We about to go pick up that loaded right there. So come on, y'all, let's go get this trailer. Alright, so look, y'all, I normally would have did like my trailer height match. The trailer was already jacked down low enough to where I could just slide all the way under it. And the reason I knew it was already jacked down low enough is because when I bagged back, I called myself just gonna stop halfway like I normally do. But I felt the fifth wheel touch the trailer, you know what I'm saying? So I knew it was already, you know, jacked down low enough or whatever. But I'm finna hook up to this bad boy, y'all. Let's get it. Lights check, marker lights. Come on, man. Can't forget to secure that bag, man. Come on now. All right, family, so the pre-trip checked out good. I gotta do like another little, basically I gotta go around the trailer and take like little pictures of it. That's something else the job want me to do. I also know that the trailer has been took through the inspection bay because it got this tag on it and it got today's date on it. So it's a good thing, a good feeling. But you know, I always gonna go around and do my own little personal pre-trip, y'all. So I'm gonna go around and take a little pictures of this trailer, how they want me to do. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna be ready to rock and roll, y'all. Like I said, we're going to STURTEVANT, Iowa. It's like a 244-mile radius from Indianapolis. It's a short little load, so it won't be too much content, but it'll be a ride along though. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned, man. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so I've already sent the address to the Garmin. We're gonna go to where to, we're gonna save it, resend. We got a 5-hour drive also, so we're gonna hit the information button. Say, we're gonna name it McLean, STURTEVANT, you know, STURTEVANT, Wisconsin or whatever. All right, we're gonna hit done. We're gonna name the map symbol to a truck. It's my first time here, so I'm gonna get it saved in. We're gonna go back just to double check, make sure everything is saved and locked in. Save, I'll save places. We're looking for McLean, STURTEVANT. Where you at, baby? Where you at? Okay, here we go. McLean, STURTEVANT. We're gonna hit the route option. Pink is always gonna be fast, guys. Okay, we got 4 hours on that route. And on the blue route, we got 4 hours 27. In this case, it's faster. Now we gotta go through Chicago. Damn. All right, I'm gonna do the pink route though. It ain't too far off. We got 5 hours, and then we got 7:15 p.m. ETA. So let's get ready to rock and roll, y'all. We got, how much time we got left to drive? We got enough time to drive. No, we gonna get there. And I heard they got overnight parking, so, man, we got a delay. So I can try to save some time.
Continue 1/4 mile.
Okay, 6:38. So now we got 4.5 now. We hit the little button, gave us a quicker, faster route, so we're gonna go with that one, y'all. Let's get on out here, baby. Head to STURTEVANT. We're gonna try to do overnight parking once we get there, and we're gonna call it a night, baby. Let's roll.
but I made you change it up that way. Could've gave you all the cold shoulders, would've had to love yourself that way. But I didn't want you in a fat place, so I came and made it all happen. Said you love me, but you want it now. Had it in you, but it's running out. Had it buried, but it's coming out. That's the reason why you.
Hey, what it do, YouTube family? Handsome Mother Truckin'. We back in this mother sucker, baby. We reached it, not our destination, but we out here in STURTEVANT, Wisconsin. You know what I'm saying? We got an appointment at 3 o'clock in the morning at a McLean Food. So we already parked at the TA, but the Country Pride restaurant that I normally like to go to when I do stop at TAs, I don't sleep at TA. I just normally just go get me some food at the Country Pride or whatever. But about to walk over to this pallet dealer over here. Hold on, did I show y'all? It's over there somewhere. And it's a Love's over here. They got a Arby's. Man, I want some good food, man, but Country Pride is closed, baby. So they closed it too, so they can't find nobody want to work. Crazy, man. Nobody want to work these days, man. Like I said, man, we out here in STURTEVANT, Wisconsin. About to try to find us something to eat, y'all. Then we gonna lay it down for the night. Get up in the morning and deliver this load, baby. But I want to appreciate everybody for tuning in with your boy, riding along with your boy, and all the above, baby. Till next time, peace.